So after looking at pie chart and bar plot and box plot, we have come to the third item, which is known as histogram. So in this session, we'll be studying about how we can create a histogram in art. So what is a histogram? First of all, histogram is a graphical representation of frequency distribution. For example, you have a marks data uh, from maybe 60 to 100. So 60 marks, how many students obtained a graph? 65, how many students? It's like a bins. So it displays the distribution, the frequency. What is the frequency? Number. How many number? So it will not display the actual value of the marks, but it will display the number. How many students have got that frequency? So if you take an image, the histogram will represent how many pixels does that image have with that particular brightness value or pixel value. So it shows distribution of the numerical data. It will group the data into bins or ranges in the horizontal axis. So on the horizontal axis, you have bins 60 marks, 70 marks, 80 marks, 90 marks, 100 marks. And the vertical bar, which represents how many number. So histogram is created by the hist function and the data which you are giving, and you can give the colors. So this is the histogram of so if you see 0 to 5 speed, these many vehicles are there, 5 to 10, these many, if I 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 25. This is about car speed. Similarly, you can also create car distance. So if you take the distance, based on that, it has divided into 20 width bins, 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 60 to 40 to 60, 60 to 80. Totally, how many bins are there? You can specify the colors using color C, red, blue, yellow. That's you know that well, right? So this is the plot. Then what you can do is you can draw a particular values, not all the values. For example, in x axis, and you want to draw only 0 to 15, and y axis you want to draw only 0 to 30. You are doing subsetting. So then you can use a code x limit and y limit. So this is only 0 to 30 and 0 to 15 values. So we can also use density. If you remember what is density, instead of single color, it will give you the lines, and you can also define the breaks. Instead of it deciding the breaks and bins, we can decide, and this angle is angle of the density. So you can give the angle 0, you can get horizontal lines, hopefully, yeah. And you can also give the breaks 20 instead of 10. So if you see 20 breaks, this is about the breaks and the angle. We can also have a density curve with lines command. How many are there? The density it will show. It will touch all those points and it will create a curve that we call it as density curve. So this is about histogram.